Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to set up individual profiles on Hulu. It's a great way to personalize your viewing experience and keep track of your favorite shows. To get started, open the Hulu app on your device. Once you're in, look for the Profiles option in the menu. Click on it to begin creating a new profile. You can choose a profile picture, name it, and even select a color scheme to make it unique. Next, you'll want to set up your viewing preferences. This will help Hulu recommend content that aligns with your tastes. You can select genres you like, mark favorite shows, and even adjust settings like subtitles and playback quality. Once you've personalized your profile, hit Save to confirm your choices. Now, you can switch between profiles easily whenever you're watching Hulu. Each profile will have its own watch history and recommendations tailored to the viewer. To add more profiles, simply repeat the same process for each person in your household. This way, everyone can have their own space within the Hulu app. Remember, you can always edit or delete profiles later on if needed. And that's it. You're all set up with individual profiles on Hulu. Enjoy watching your favorite shows without any mix-ups or interruptions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.